Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about day trading. We're going to be talking specifically about gap trading. Each and every day, I trade the morning gaps. And what that means is I identify stocks that are gapping higher or lower at the open. And what I'm able to do is identify a level of either support or resistance where that stock is likely to have a bounce or pullback or a price reaction in the other direction. There's a lot of ways to play the gap trading philosophy. There's a lot of stuff out there. There's a lot of education in terms of how to trade the gaps. What I've done is I've narrowed it down to two very specific and very predictable gap trading strategies that I teach in a course at LazyGapTrader.com. In addition to that, I offer my gap trades each and every day to members who want them for a separate monthly fee. Now, when you get my gap trades, you're getting the cream of the crop. You're getting what I believe to be the best 2, 3, 4 gap trades of the day. And let's take a look at the gap trades this morning at 9 a.m., a half an hour before the market opened. Let's take a look at those gap trades that went out to members. Here, you see 3 specific stocks that were prime gap trades for the day. Salesforce or CRM, Wynn Resorts, WYNN, and Campbell Soup, CPB. As a result, Salesforce didn't hit its level. The level of support that we identified, as you can see here, was $72.30. The stock never hit that level. It's a scratch. It's off the chart. It's off the table. It's a no trade. However, the other two, Wynn Resorts and Campbell Soup, did hit their levels, and we're going to take a look at what happened to those stocks right after we take a look at what happened in the email, which on Wynn Resorts, I say gap higher. Resistance levels are 94.59, and then I give a secondary level at 96.47. Stop and profit target is about 60 to 90 cents. That's a minimum profit target, but we want to have reasonably tight stops on these trades. Campbell Soup was a gap lower. Support level is $57.08. Stop and profit target is about 40 to 60 cents. So you can see I give the parameters each and every day with these stocks. And let's go take a look at the charts and see what happened. Now on Wynn Resorts, I brought up a 1-minute chart because some of these trades happen fast and I want to show you minute by minute exactly what happened. So in the first minute of the trading day at 9:30, the stock immediately popped up. Here's where it closed yesterday, around 89.5, give or take. And the stock was gapping higher, so I identified a level of $94.59 as a shorting level. So now I've got an order in to short the stock at $94.59. As you can see, I was obviously filled. The high was $94.95 within our stop loss limitation. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes into the trading day, the stock made a low of $93.80, which represents a potential maximum gain of 79 cents. If you got 30 or 40 or 50 or 60 cents, that's wonderful. It's one trade in 5 minutes, on to the next. That's Wynn Resorts, morning gap trade, short level at 94.59. Let's go ahead and take a look at Campbell Soup and see what happened there for the second trade of the day. On Campbell, we'll switch over to a 5-minute chart just to get a variety. And as you can see, about a half hour, 35 minutes into the trading day, the stock hits our level, $57.08. The stock was gapping down from a close all the way up here at $60, almost 60, let's see, the closing price yesterday, $60.73. The stock's gapping down at the open, down about 5 or 6%. At that level, at $57.08, we were looking for a bounce. We're buying the stock long at $57.08. So you can see here, we get in the trade. The stock makes a low of $56.76 within our stop loss limitation that I provide in the email, which is also what I teach in the course at LazyGapTrader.com. Everything you're seeing here is not dependent upon getting my email of my gap trades for the day. Everything I'm showing you is taught in the course so that you can do this for yourself. So as you can see, just a few minutes later, maybe a half an hour later, the stock made a high of $57.99, representing a maximum possible gain of 91 cents, whether you got 40 or 50 or 60 or 70 cents. Regardless, it's a win. It's another positive trade. It's another profitable trade. And if you can have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these trades per week, it's a recipe for a full-time income. Gap trading can be and is for many people, many traders, a full-time income. I'm David Frost. Come over and check out lazygaptrader.com. See everything that I've got to offer with the course. You can take it for yourself. It's offered at a very inexpensive price for the value it provides. You can learn how to do this for yourself, trade for the rest of your life, understanding the mathematics behind the market, which is exactly what I teach in my course. David Frost, lazygaptrader.com. Thanks for tuning in, folks.